Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Praty. If you're new to this channel, I make videos on fashion, beauty, skincare, reviews, everything. If you're interested in these kind of videos, please do subscribe to this channel. So let's get started with today's video. Today I'm here with another review. This is Forest Essentials face wash in the variation of saffron and neem. If you're following me from the long time, you know that nowadays I am obsessed with Forest Essentials brand. If you don't know, nowadays I am really loving these Forest Essentials brand because of the speciality of all natural products and no parabens, no chemicals, nothing. So I love this brand. If you don't know, I already reviewed a night treatment cream from Forest Essentials. If here is the link, please do watch it. And let's talk about today's video. So coming to this face wash, this is in the variation of Kashmiri Saffron and neem. They suggested this for oily skin. They do have variations for oily, dry, normal skin. They do have those variations, but I bought this oily skin type in the variation of Kashmiri Saffron and neem. By nature, my skin is a combination. My T-zone is oily and cheeks are dry. But especially in these summers, my skin behaves like oily. Especially, I do sweat a lot, so it acts like oily. But it's not like too oily. But okay. You can here it's little bit dry, but everything the rest of the face is little bit oily. Still, though they mentioned it for oily skin, I am using it. I have combination skin. I really loved it, especially in the summers. I don't know whether how it works in winters, but especially in summers, it acts awesome. So I'm using this from past 3 months. You can see how much I finished. So I really loved it. So coming to the packaging and all, this is the packaging. You'll get a pump pour here. This is like 200 ml bottle. They do have a travel size bottle with 50 ml and medium size bottle with 100 ml, and this is the 200 ml bottle. They do have a pump, so very easy to use, and you will get a cap over here. I lost it. So this is the very the packaging is very good. It's very good quality. So it's travel friendly. Even though I don't have a cap here, I used as it is for my travel. So it never leaked or never ruined my bag, anything. It's very good. I even didn't took care of it. I didn't even wrapped anything. I just I kept as it is, without any cap and everything. But it's 100% travel friendly. Very good packaging. And coming to the ingredients, the main part, ingredients, though they mentioned it as Kashmiri Saffron and neem, the major ingredients, so the order of the ingredients are aqua, glycerin and marigold flower extract, and all the flower extracts. They do have all the flower extracts, honey, and narcissus leaf extract, jasmine flower oil, and etc. etc. They do have a lot of things, but everything is natural, no chemicals in this ingredient list. So that is a good sign. So all the price and link will be in the description box. Please do check there. While looking at the texture of the face wash, it is not that jelly form, it's not in the creamy form, it's in the almost like liquidy form, but it's not complete liquid. I'll show you. This is how the face wash look like, but it gives you leathers, but when compared to other face wash, it gives you that a bit less lather than other soaps or face washes, which is also a good sign, because we don't need those chemicals which gives you that lather and takes off that natural oils from your face. We only want to remove those all the excess oil, that's it, we want to remove that. But it's very nice, as you can see. After using this face wash, you feel, especially in these summers, if you feel very fresh. It won't dry your skin, it won't over dry your skin, just keeps your skin very fresh, and it keeps the necessary amount of oils on your skin and just removes only excess ones. I never felt, though my cheeks and my face is a little bit dry, I never felt it's tightening my skin, or never felt like very dry and patchy. So though I have a combination skin, I like this. It do have fragrance, but it's very mild. It won't like some people, they don't like strong fragrances, right? But it do have fragrance, but in a minute way, slight fragrance, it won't even bother you. I really like this fragrance too, it's very nice. Since it have neem in it, because of your sweat, and if you have a pimple or acne prone skin, it works very well. It reduces that infection or the bacteria on your face. Overall, the product is very good. If you can give it a try. If you are already using it, please share your experience in the comment box below, and if you like this video, please hit on that like button, and if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. This is Praty signing off.